In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet sheet. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking for a refresher, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with creating a new sheet, customizing it, and choosing the best setup for your needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Smartsheet account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by visiting smartsheet.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see a left panel on your screen. This is your main navigation through Smartsheet. Here, you're going to click on the plus create button. This button is your gateway to making new sheets and organizing your projects. After hitting that create button, you're going to want to select grid. The grid is a simple blank slate that gives you flexibility to start from scratch and customize your sheet exactly as you need it. Picture it as a digital piece of graph paper waiting for you to lay out your ideas and structures. Once you select your grid, it's automatically placed into a new workspace. This is essentially your virtual office space for all related projects and files. Now that your workspace is set, it's time to name your sheet. It's a good practice to use a clear and concise title that reflects the sheet's purpose. Naming your sheet appropriately will make it easier to locate and manage as your workspace expands. With the basics set up, you can start customizing your columns and rows just like you would in a spreadsheet. This is where you get to really mold the sheet to serve your specific project needs, so feel free to get creative with column types, numbering, and labels. Alternatively, if you want to save time or need help getting started, you have option 2, creating a sheet from a template. To do this, click the create button again, but this time select view all templates. Here you'll find a wide variety of pre-made templates such as project trackers, task lists, or event plans. Choose one that closely aligns with your requirements. Once you've found a template you like, click on Create from Template. At this point, you're given the option to invite people and groups to collaborate with you, which is optional but can be particularly useful if you're working on a team project. Simply enter their email addresses and set their permissions. Finally, you'll want to rename your sheet to reflect the specific project or event, especially if you have selected from a generic template. From here, you can further customize it as needed, tailoring each column, row, and field to meet your particular goals and data requirements. And there you have it, you've created a Smartsheet sheet and learned the core essentials to managing and customizing it. You're now ready to organize, track, and share whatever projects you desire. Happy Smartsheeting!